Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this list of all available languages from which we can choose. So fortunately, in this device, we do not really have to reorder the languages to actually set it. All you have to do is to find your language and tap on it. Let me pick French. And as you can see, basically immediately this French language will be applied to the menu, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen one. So let me tap on it again and show you. Just find English in my case and tap on it, and everything will be applied immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.